What's up, everybody? It's Charlie coming to you live with a $5 $500 explosion from the Hoosier lottery. I just like saying explosion. I hope you guys had the opportunity to see the lunar eclipse last night. If you didn't, it was pretty awesome. If you want to see it again, stick around till 2033 or not. Anyway, we got to match our numbers to the winning numbers. You know what? Let's just look for the 500 symbol so we can get that $500 explosion. Here we go. We're looking for a 14, 39, 10, 9, and 33. Or that 500. 23. Nope. Oh, 500. 9. Oh, there's a winner. 3, 9, 9, yeah. 21, 17, 39. Oh, there's another winner. That's good. It's always good. Oh, there's another one. That's always good to see. It's always good. And another one. There's a 10. Well, don't stop now. Keep on keeping on. That's 4 numbers right now. There's a 2 and 27. Come on, you were doing good. You were doing so good. We got 4 numbers so far. 4 numbers. 40, no. Come on. Give us a couple more. 24, no. 31, no. 19, no. Come on. Come on. Nothing. Okay, well, we got a 9, 39, 14, and 10. Well, let's see what we got. 5, 10, 15, and $20. I'm starting to like this ticket. Last time I played it, I hit 10 bucks on it. This time I hit 20. So, I don't know. Maybe this is just my ticket. I don't know. We'll scratch that way I don't forget it when I go to cash it. All right. So, $20 winner, ticket number 34. $5 Hoosier lottery ticket, the $500 explosion. We are on a mission to find $500. Yes. All right, guys. Until next time, I'm gone.